Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to be scrapping this here old Craftsman weed eater. I'll weigh it first, see what we get, and we'll tear it apart and see if we get anything it's worth. Right now, as you can see, it's 6 pounds and 14 ounces as it is. So we'll see what the worth is for this scrap shred. It'll be up here in the top corner. So yeah, we'll get her done and see what it's worth after it's tore apart. Well, so we'll get started. If it don't come off, we'll break her off. Nice big motor. Let's hope there's copper in there. It is copper, so we will try to get it out of there. I'll work on getting this apart, get everything cleaned up, then we'll come back with some weights. Hey, I thought maybe you would like to watch me use the machete on this. I punched this pin out of the center that was in through there, and I used a bar that I took out of another center from another one. So like I've always said, keep these rods because these always come in handy to punch something out, and it worked great on punching this one out to there. We'll add it up on the total, but I will be keeping this. Warning, it is going to be loud, so you might want to turn it TV down, your computer, whatever you're watching on. This does get loud. And there it is, unscathed. But we got our two pieces apart. Now I'll punch it out, and when I come back, we'll total everything up. Okay, all of our metal we got out of that is 3 pounds, 10.3 ounces. That's all the scrap metal. The cast aluminum, we got 6.4 ounces. Insulated copper wire, we got 2.1 ounces. And the thing we were looking for, the copper, we got 6 ounces even. As you can see, it wasn't very fun getting this out. It was a pain. Yeah, it had a lot of slack on it, and I tried cleaning the most of it up, and it just took a lot of time and pain in the butt to get it out. But I did get it out, and if you ever come across one, it's up to you. And like I said, it's pain to get this copper out, but every little bit counts. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep making them. Like I said, also these here bars, every one of these I've gotten out of the motor, and they make great, excellent punches to punch things out. So I just keep saving them. So, well, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.